the who run the world, who run the world, who run the world, who run the world. It's hot up in here, DJ. Don't be scared to run this back. For the girls who taking over the world, let me raise a glass for the college grads. Anyone rolling, I'll let you know what time it is. Check, you can't hold me. I work my 9 to 5 and I cut my check. This goes out to all my women getting it in. You on your grind. To all the men that respect what I do, please accept my shine. Boy, I know you love it how I'm smart enough to make these millions, strong enough to bear the children. Then get back to business. See, you better not play me. Don't come here, baby. Hope you still like me. If you pay me, my persuasion can rule the nation.